dates the 2nd of November 2022. And we have, it's Rakuunantie and Rakuunantie, 7th Hissinhuolto here. In Munkkiniemi Munkkiniemi, Helsinki is in Finland, but unfortunately it's a disappointment because this must have been around 2,000, but not in the best way. But the lamp indicator should be working here.
Yeah.
As they can say. It's built in 1959 originally by Hissinhuolto. The Cinebreeze HH479. Doesn't say when it was pronounced.
Yeah.
I wonder if the basement door is locked up. It's open. It will be inspected this year in 2022. But still wonder there's enough.
Yeah, of course.
It's a disappointment.
Yeah. Okay, it's working here.
So then we can do from K, this one K.
Yeah.
Could have done it on the other one also.
Mm.
I don't know if we have time to do the flooring cater on the other one from K, because
No, probably not.
but it's in the basement, so
Yeah.
I can do it quickly.
Inspektit pakivaiskutat meidän passilla.
I think the machine maybe is partly original still,
Yeah.
but still a disappointment.
Mm.
That's the door looks interesting.
Mm.
One is broken. Two is broken. No, I'll go and take these.
That's